If you don't like yawning in public but still find yourself doing it, then blame your brain. It's wired that way. Turns out, catching yawns is practically a human superpower. Scientists say yawning is contagious. Even reading the word yawn can trigger it. But why? One theory takes us way back to when humans hung out in packs, just like chimpanzees. Back then, it was super important for everyone to fall asleep at the same time. So, if one person yawned, it sent a silent signal, "Hey, it's bedtime!" The whole group would follow, staying safe and warm together. Today, we don't need to huddle in caves, but our brains still treat a yawn as a group message. So next time you can't stop yawning during a class or meeting, blame science, not boredom. Oh, and if you just yawned listening to this, congratulations, you're superhumanly normal.